everyone. Happy National Scrapbooking Day from Citrus Twist Kits and from me. This is going to be a stamping challenge for Citrus Twist Kits using the new Day Tripping stamp set along with several of, I ended up not using those cut files, but I did have them ready. There's plenty of fun little things like cut files and printables to help celebrate and document National Scrapbooking Day. And you'll see how I'll use those in a little bit. But for now, I really did not know what direction I wanted to go with the stamping for this project, but I was really drawn to the neutral pattern papers in the Journey kit. I am using this white and gray paper with the honeycombs on it, and I'm going to use that arrow with the dotted line image from the Day Tripping stamp set and move that in different directions to stamp there along the bottom. So far, I like the look. I don't know what I'm going to do with it just yet, but as I continue to stamp, some more ideas begin to flow a little bit better. I always love the stamp sets and the different ways that you can layer the stamps and create with them, and I'm just really, again, drawn to the design of the pattern paper, as well as that arrow with the dotted line. Now you see I had another pattern paper there. I thought about doing two side by side like that, but I ended up changing my mind. And as I did this, I said, let me stamp the same image onto some of the other brighter colors that are available in the Make Kit and fussy cut those out and see how that would look. And again, it's just one of those things. I'm not sure where this is going, but as I did it and I cut them out, I had them all ready, I started to see a little bit more of the design and the pattern and the texture that I liked. And as I did that, after I had trimmed, I did trim this paper down to fit into the Life Crafted album. I add some more of that image stamped there at the top. Now, I don't know if you can notice as I'm stamping, you can really extend that image. You can stamp it further from the arrow. You can extend it from the back. You can really give it a very unique look, and that's what I love about this image. And it's definitely perfect for your vacation, your journeys, your new paths, direction in life. In this case, it was a COVID-19 grocery store run. So I have all of those adhered. I just did 3 of them and trimmed it. And then I did decide to use some of the National Scrapbooking Day cut files available from Citrus Twist. I used this little house. I cut it in white cardstock and then that yellow pattern paper, or kind of orangey pattern paper. Backed it with more pattern paper, and then I'm using those cute little buttons that are also part of the cut files. Since this is a COVID-19 type thing, I wanted to give it a little bit of a homey look. So I selected one of the cards from the Journeys kit to put at the top there, and then that bright house next to it is really perfect. And at the bottom, I will add some journaling. Now, I made the button cut file smaller, so they're pretty small, and there's, I think, 2 or 3 different sizes, but they're a little tedious to get adhered, but using the liquid glue really does help because there's an outer ring around it, and then you have the inside button part. Now I want to bring in some of the printables that are available for National Scrapbooking Day, and they also go right along with the COVID-19. So I selected there at the top, it says Essential Travel, which was a grocery store run, and then I selected what day is it, because you forget what day you're on. So I selected that, and after I added my journaling to that bottom card, I selected one of the stickers from the kit, and then I used the printable that says New Normal to staple that at the top of it. So now I'm just going to add some of the phrases from the same stamp set. There at the top, I did New Paths. At the bottom, I'll do the Wild. And then next to the photo is actually going to be the title of this project is Off the Grid, which I think goes perfectly with the arrows and the dotted lines there. Here is another project I wanted to share as part of the stamping challenge, but it also uses some of the new stay-at-home digitals that are available. I'll have a video for that a little bit later in the month. But here's that same stamp set using that other camera image, and I used it to highlight and frame my photos, which is another cool way to use this same stamp set. So I hope that you guys get some creative therapy in for National Scrapbooking Day and enjoy these free digital elements that Citrus Twist Kits has available. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. Enjoy.